Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a view-only wallet on the Trust Wallet. So the first thing that you have to do is go ahead and open your browser and then just search for etherscan.io. Now once you're in here, just copy the latest transaction. So we're copying the first one right here. Tap on that copy icon next to it and then open your Trust Wallet in here. So once you're in here, go ahead and tap on the settings at the top left corner and then tap on the wallets at the very top. So in here, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner so that we can add a wallet. So just tap on the add existing wallet at the bottom and then just go ahead and tap on the view only wallet. And in here, you just have to select the network. So we are going to be searching for Ethereum since that is what we've copied earlier. So just tap on the results at the top, which is the Ethereum. And in here, we have to paste the link that we have copied earlier from the etherscan.io. So just tap on allow paste and there you have it. Just tap on confirm at the bottom. And there you have it. You now have a view-only wallet on your Trust Wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!